Is that right? See, my show is so rehearsed that this is cool because I get to like break it down. Y'all see how I kind of learn songs. This is how I do it every single Sunday. I'm like, I have no idea. I wake up and I go, oh shit. I gotta do another song. What's my favorite song right now? Oh, I don't really have one. So let's look. Throwback. So usually you get the throwbacks when I'm like, I don't know what to do. I'm just burning time so we can know this. I'll tell y'all gotta make some noise for Matt. Put him on the spot and make him learn a song every night. It's not the easiest thing to do in the moment. What do you think? He's got it. Look at that, genius. Probably do like, I don't know if you can transpose it a bit, because his voice is really way higher than mine. Probably a whole step. Ask me if I do this every day, I say often. Ask me how many times she rode the wave, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Often, make that pussy poppin'. I'm about to freestyle. Often, she like it softly. I'ma put it on it. Often. Yeah, I'll do it softly. Oh, we in Chi-Town, holding it down. Make some noise if you're with me tonight. Are you ready tonight? Make that pussy pop. Y'all are gonna be the leaders of the crowd for me tonight, you know that, right? So I'm gonna need y'all to lead them. So if I put my hands up, y'all gotta put your hands up, and you can't put them down. And if you turn around and you see people with their hands down, I need you to yell at them. Don't kick them though, we're gonna keep it nice. Can y'all do that for me? Did y'all come to romantically rage with me? Good. Cause we do it often, so often. Do I got any birthdays in here? Birthday today, birthday this week, birthday this year, whatever. Let's break it down there.